Here's the 0-2. Off the thumbs, that's going to make it into center field. Rounding third base. Here's Navarro, ball gets away. 2 runs are going to score. Mitchell on the way home, and he makes it with a slide.
I'll tell you, Russ Mitchell did a great job. It looked to me like he was going to try to go first to third anyway, so he was hustling into third base. And then when that ball got bobbled by the Gold Glover born in center field, there was no stopping him. This is just a base hit up the middle, and Mitchell's going to score all the way from first. Navarro's a no-brainer. You know that they're sending him. You saw Mitchell right there on the bottom of your screen, and he's just going to keep going now. Now Kershaw's happy about it. Suddenly he's a winner.
So now Kershaw